Hey guys, welcome back to Tomanek Tutorials. My name is Kimberly Tomanek, for those of you who don't know me. I manage Tomanek Tutorials and I'm an independent travel advisor. I love helping people book their family trips to either Walt Disney World resorts, Universal Studios, and so much more. So I just want to let you know that I'm here for you guys, and I would love to hear from you if you have any ideas that you would like to go on vacation soon with your families to get away. I can do that for you and I can help. This coming late spring, early summer, the Tomaneks are going to be going to Universal Studios Orlando for the first time. We are so excited to be able to go and see the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, right? So great place to go with a family. I can't wait to go and just experience all of that in itself, in its entirety. It's going to be great. You got to go to both parks to see everything. And again, my number one tip if you're going to Universal Studios Orlando is to make sure that you get the park to park, you hop the different parks. That way you can ride the Hogwarts Express to and from the different parks. So then you don't have to, go see one and go see the other, but never go ride the Hogwarts Express. That's a must for me. I have to do it, okay? So here we go. Again, huge fans of Lego. If you know the Tomaneks, you know that we are master builders in Lego. We absolutely love Lego. This Lego piece here is going to be the Lego Harry Potter. Let me make sure you guys can see this here. It is age ranges 8+. The series number here is going to be 75957, so go check this one out. It is the Night Bus, which is an amazing iconic bus in the Harry Potter series. It's going to be awesome. This one does have 403 pieces as well, and yeah, I can't wait to kind of pop this bad boy open and see what it looks like. I always check on the little minifigures as well when we get them. So this one has Stan Shunpike, let's see here, Ernie Prang, and Harry Potter in it. So let's get started, okay? So again, this is from the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Let's go ahead and see what's in this, okay? I just kind of want to try one thing really quick. So when Tonks, Nymphadora Tonks, when she helps Harry Potter pack up his suitcase, she uses the incantation pack. So what we're going to do today is we're going to see if that incantation still works the other way around, okay? So I got my wand here. Let's just find out, all right? But I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it going to work? Ready? Unpack. Didn't seem to work. Sorry guys, I thought it would work. Well, we can go ahead and just open it up ourselves. It did work. Okay, never mind. We got our bags. We're ready to go. And again, this is the Harry Potter Lego series number is 75957. So go check this out, okay? I'm gonna leave this box right here. That way we can kind of see it as we go, all right? And so we have our booklet here. This is gonna tell us exactly what to expect out of this build. It's gonna give you all of the instructions. This is gonna be great. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Some people go ahead and open up all the bags. It is very highly recommended to just open up one bag at a time because your instruction booklet is actually gonna go through and explain to you how to build each bag based on the number system that it has, okay? So we're gonna start with 1. When we're done with that one, we'll go to 2 and 3. Let's go ahead and open this one up. We'll get these ones out of the way. If any of you guys are also Lego Master Builders and I don't know about it yet, please drop it down below in the comments section. We absolutely love building with Legos. Legos are just a nice time to kind of sit together as a family, and you can build so many different things out of Legos. So inside your bag number 1, you also have 2 little bags. So keep those in mind because they usually put the smaller parts in these like little tiny bags for you. That way you don't lose out on the little parts. Got a few figures in here as well. And what I do is a term that my husband told me. I had no idea that I was doing this. He told me when I was helping him build, he collects Star Wars Legos and he just recently got Yoda. So when he was building Yoda, I wanted to sit there and help. And so I started organizing the pieces together, and he said that I was knolling. And so what that means is that you organize them by light color and you just do all of the different pieces that are like-minded, basically, different pieces, different structure, different colors, and you get them all together. I do it on purpose, that way as I'm going through the booklet, I can find those pieces easily and put them together. So, Nolan, there you go. And it explains to you here that this is what to expect out of bag number 1, 2, 3, and it says go ahead and grab bag number 1 and let's get started, okay? Hey guys, welcome back. So we've already got bag 1 already sorted out by color, pretty much, as well as size and like items. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We got our booklet next to us here. And again, just follow this booklet step by step when you're using Legos, and it's gonna kind of lead that way to make that first bag come together, all right? And if you guys are going to Universal Studios, or if you already have been to Universal Studios, please drop in the comments below what was your most favorite part. What did you look forward to most? So I personally, I can't wait to just walk down like Diagon Alley. I can't wait to see the dragon on top of Gringotts, as well as one of my favorite rides that I would say that I'm most anticipating on going to ride is Hagrid's motorbike ride. I can't wait to see that one. So let me know if you agree with any of those, or if you have something that you miss the most, basically. Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys, what you guys think. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that it has us do is build the minifigures. So the first one up is Harry Potter. The nice thing about the minifigures is they really are customized to each individual person that they make these for. And so Harry Potter actually has his lightning bolt scar on both sides of this. He has one where he's scowling and one where he's just slightly smiling, ready to go. So we've got him here. He wears the navy blue top. So we're gonna just pop that bad boy on there. And then his hair, the iconic Harry Potter shaggy hair, right? That just shows off the lightning bolt scar just a smidge. And then we have his pants, okay? And wand. So he is going to end up looking like this, all right? Looking good, Harry Potter, good to go. All right, and we've got the wand here too. Again, drop below in the comments if you are either going to Universal Studios soon, 2020, 2021, or if you are have already been to Universal Studios, and just let us know what you love there. What do we need to see, right? So make sure you drop that in the comments below. All right, so we've got him all set up. He's got his wand all ready to go, all right? And yeah. Does everybody know where the night bus lands in the Harry Potter series? So if you don't know, the night bus is an iconic bus that is in the 3rd book in the series, so Harry Potter, Prisoner of Azkaban. Harry Potter runs from his aunt and uncle's house, and he gets stopped by a rustle in the bush there, in like the bushes, and he's wondering what the noise is, so he kind of looks, and all of a sudden we see like this dark mass, but we're not sure what it quite is. And just as he gets a glimpse of what he thought it was, which was a large black like wolf dog, basically, very, very large dog, a black one, he falls back, and then the night bus all of a sudden shows up, and he's like, how did that happen? How did they know? And so he gets on the night bus, and it takes him to where he's got to go. And it's just really, really funny the way it shows up. It's very, very, there's a lot of laughter going on, because you're like, the way that the night bus moves through the Muggle world, it's sliding in between cars, it slams on its brakes really fast. It's just really, really a funny scene, so definitely check it out. I highly recommend reading through the books first. I have always said that, read the books first, but if you don't have the opportunity to do that, definitely at least watch the video. So again, this one is in Prisoner of Azkaban, the 3rd book in the series. So we've got Stan Shunpike here as well, built. So he looks like this. All right, welcome back. This is gonna be bag number 2. So far we have the entire bottom base of the bus, but also we have Ernie's chair here that moves back and forth. This entire part of the bus opens and closes. That was really neat extra feature that it had. We've got some of the stickers on the bus already as well as if you can see, there's like the little like it's the little cursed head that's in the front of the night bus as well, sitting right there, and it actually moves back and forth just like it does in the movie. Really neat. So we're gonna go ahead and set this aside, and we're going to open up bag number 2 and sort out our pieces. As I'm doing that, what is your guys' favorite Harry Potter book or movie in the series? So if you have a favorite one, drop it below, and then after I get these sorted and we get bag number 2 done, I will share with you what mine is. Welcome back, guys. We have bag 2 already completed. We're going to be moving on to bag 3. Before we do that, as requested, I hope you guys put in either your favorite book or your favorite movie from the Harry Potter series, and I'd let you know what mine was. So we know that the night bus is from book 3, Prisoner of Azkaban. But my ultimate favorite book, even though this is like a really close second, my ultimate favorite book from the series is going to be The Goblet of Fire. I just absolutely admire J.K. Rowling's entire thought process around building what the Goblet of Fire tournament was and all of the different pieces in between. It was just really neat. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And again, we're gonna go ahead and move on to bag number 3. Looks like we're gonna build Ernie really quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. But just as a highlight, just to show you guys kind of what we built. So we have the entire second deck on here. On the back it says all destinations, nothing underwater. So we have a sign here and here, and if we just kind of keep rotating, you can kind of see all the different things. We also got wheels here as well put on, as well as little purple caps here too. And then our door still swings open here, so we can see the interior of the bus. And we also got a chandelier added, and as you can see, it is mobile, so that's really cool. All right, let's go ahead and open up bag number 3. So really quick before I get started on bag 3, the final bag, I just wanted to show you guys something, because this is why I love Lego so much. So it's not just bricks and, you know, tiles and pieces and the flat pieces going together. It's all of the extra details. So it's the stickers and everything. But guys, I got a newspaper. Can you see this? That is so neat. It says Daily Prophet exclusive Harry Potter, the boy who lived, which is super important in the movie because he disguises himself with Stan Shunpike as Neville Longbottom. So it's just really funny. We got the boy who lived newspaper here, but the other thing we have is we have 10 more windows to build. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and we'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, welcome back. So here is the final product, again, of the Harry Potter series. We have the Harry Potter Lego series number 75957. It is the night bus. So the packaging looks like this. It has been awesome building this, but I will say it has a lot of intricate little pieces and parts. The back of it looks like this for you. As any master builder knows, at the very end of any build, there's always these little pieces left. There's nothing wrong with that. They just put some extra parts in there to make sure if any of the tiny pieces get lost in transportation, no pun intended, you got some extra pieces for you. So let's take a final look at our build. So again, we checked out the wheels earlier with the little caps. There's lights and stickers. On the back here, we have Stan Shunpike carrying Harry Potter's luggage. And then if we kind of keep turning here, this part is going to open up. The front of the night bus also has a sticker on the front, as well as the guard here too. Again, we have the head here that's going to be up in the rear view mirror. We also have Ernie that is hidden in his little seated area here. This bed that we built actually moves forward and backwards, which is hilarious because the bus is known for everything sliding inside the bus, right? So we can actually take that out of here. And Ernie's seat actually moves. Let's see here. Yeah. So he can move back and forth as well as he wishes. So yeah, there's Ernie. And again, our chandelier moves. We have Harry Potter sitting in the back there too. And then we can go ahead and put our little bed right back in place. And again, it just kind of moves back and forth. It's free in there. Close up that door, and then on the top here, what's really neat about some of these builds with Harry Potter, they actually make it so you can get into here. So they keep these flat pieces in there, and you can see right in, we can see the newspaper we were talking about earlier, and then you can just put this piece right back on top. It just sets just nicely. Let me know what you guys thought about this build. Again, this one is the series 75957, so I'd love to know what you guys think about the night bus. I'm very partial when it comes to the Harry Potter series of Legos. I think they do a great job with their minifigures, as well as all the extra little details and the stickers and everything. I just think they're really, really cool, and they really capture everything that J.K. Rowling put into her books as well as into the movies. So let me know what you guys thought, and please like, comment, share, definitely share with any other master builders in your family. I would love for you to share this with them, see what they thought as well. Stay tuned, I may or may not have some more Lego videos coming up soon, so let me know what you guys thought of this. Thank you guys so much for your time. Have a good day.